How to check Shein order status in app or website. Let's get started. First, launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the main page. Now here you're gonna find this section of My Orders. Click on that. Head towards this tab All Others. Locate the order you wanna track and tap View Details or Track. You'll see the order's current status like processing, shipped, in transit, or delivered, along with the tracking number and courier info. In the website as well, you will need to apply the same process. If tracking does not update, it may take 24 to 48 hours after shipping for tracking updates to appear. Status changes might delay if the carrier has not sent updated scan info. To speed things up, refresh the app, check your email for shipping confirmation, or temporarily switch to Wi Fi. And that's it. This is how you can check Shein order status in app or website. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.